Shinya Gardens entrance. We have got two tamarind trees both sides of the entrance gate, and this is the gate. We are going inside. And this is the guava tree, and that is the coconut tree saplings. This is the Malay Vembu, which is a very high medicinal value, which is good for all types of fever. And this is the mango tree, and there lies coconut trees and a big tamarind tree. Here this is the first segment of the Lakshanya Gardens, and this is the pomegranate saplings. These are all just growing now, and this is the coconut palm. This is also coconut palm, and this is a good tree which holds the mosquitoes out of the garden. And this is the neem. And this is the tree which is and that is Iglipu, that is another one. This is Vanni Maram, and this one keeps mosquitoes away. And this is the great Marada Maram. And this is called Peru Maram, that is the big tree. And this is again Malay Vembu. And here comes, this is the Magida Maram, which will give Mahidam Poo, and also it is very high medicinal value, and also the flower is very, very beautiful. This is also the Mahida Maram. This will be a biggest tree, and this will grow up to 20 to 30 meters. And this plant is highly medicinal value, that is Malay Vembu, that is also very high medicinal value. And these are all Malay Vembu at the border of Lakshanya Gardens. These are all Malay Vembu trees. And here you have got this coconut trees. It gives so much. And this is the growing coconut palm. And these are all guava trees, which has got guava fruits, so much fruits. And these are all guava trees. And this one is a guava tree. And this is a pomegranate tree. This has got so much of pomegranate fruits. And this is the sapota tree, and it has got so much medicinal value. This is Arenelli, and we have got this much trees. And this is the great aloe vera. We have got aloe vera throughout. And this plant, this is the Daranga tree. This is a very, very high powered lime tree. That is, this is the biggest lemon variety. And this is the Citrata. This is very good for cold, and it will take all of your phlegm out. This is the, all these things are Citrata tree, and that is the Ilupai Maram. And here comes the gardener who is in charge of this garden, who takes care of this garden. All credit goes to him for making these plants grow. And this is called the Swargam, that is tree of paradise. This is called. This is the neem tree. And this is again a pomegranate tree, and this is the apple tree. This is apple. I am growing apple here in Lakshanya Gardens, and this is the apple tree. You see apple tree. This is the lemon tree. We have got so much lemon tree also inside. This is guava tree. This is the biggest guava tree, and you can see the guava. We have got so much. We have harvested nearly 500 guava today. This is again a guava tree which has got so much fruits. After it gets ripened, we will get plucked out for our use. So this tree, how much it bears. We have removed somewhere around 50 fruits today. Even then it has got so much. You see here, yeah, these are all the guava tree, and we have got a guava tree there also. And this is a plantain, that is a lemon tree, the biggest lemon tree. And behind that is the tamarind tree, which we will get, I think, this year nearly around 200 kg of tamarind from the tree. Yeah, it produces so much. And these are all plantains. We have got this plantains, that is banana trees, and we have harvested banana today also. And this is the guava tree. It is going to ripen, so I am going to pluck it out. So this is the fruit, guava fruit, which will be very tasty, and it has got a peculiar smell. Here another guava tree which is bearing some guavas. You see, this is the guava tree. These are all, that is, this is the nellikai, what we call